So we got Rod Waves, Sinners, man. Have y'all seen the movie yet? I'm hearing a lot of good things about the movie, man. Y'all make sure y'all go check out the movie. Come back and give me some feedback. I ain't seen it myself yet, but me and my wife making plans to go to the theater. We're gonna go to the theater to see this, man. I think Rotten Tomatoes gave it 100%, if I'm not mistaken. That's what I heard. This song right here, let's see, we're gonna call this the key of E. All right. We're gonna call it the key of E. Song is very simple. It can be played with 4 chords, okay? If you got 4 chords, you got the song, okay? Let's talk about the 4 chords, all right? So we got let's see, we start with this A major. Okay, we got this A major. Now that is the 4, so we could play a major 7. All right, we could play that major 7. Then we're gonna go to a C sharp minor, to a B major, to a F sharp minor 7. Or right here, that's another one. And then C minor 7. Here's a C minor 7. That B major. So in context, we got the 4, A major, C minor, C sharp minor 7, C sharp minor 7, D major, F sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7. So really the first time around we do A major, then we do an F sharp to start with. Same thing. Now, what you could do, instead of playing the C sharp minor 7, you can play an E major. Alright? We can substitute that. And actually, instead of going to that B, we can actually do, what's that, G sharp minor or A flat minor 7. So in context, we can go. All right. And then, well, excuse me. So we can go. Uh-oh. So we could go. All right. Second time around. First time around, start with the A. All right. There's an F sharp minor 7 right there. Ah. Since we're in the key of E, all our lead can come right there. I put it up, put a little boost on it. That's the song, pretty much. I mean, really, you can get away with 4 chords in this song. Check out the progression. Make up your own lead to it. Song ain't got real heavy guitar on it, but if you want to make it that way, man, play along with it, man. Y'all play along with that. Let me know if you have any questions. Hop in the comments. I love to see you. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you dig this content and want more of it. And hop in the comments, man. I love reading the comments most of all, okay? Thank you all so much, man. Love you, man. God bless you.